مشاهدينا الكرام، أهلا وسهلا فيكم بحلقة جديدة من حلقاتنا الأسبوعية رواد الأعمال. ومثل ما عودناكم في كل حلقة أن نستضيف رجال أعمال مميزون كان لهم بصمة في تغيير النجاح. رحبوا معي الآن بالمستر سيد طاهر حسن، الأونر لشركة Green Ocean International Ship Repair. بداية good afternoon Mr.
Good afternoon, sir. Good
Yes,
afternoon.
Mr. Sayed, in the first, I want to meet you and let the viewers also know about your professional life when you came here to UAE, how you started your own business.
Good afternoon, and I would like to thank you for inviting me
Thank you
to
so much.
express myself.
Thank you.
And we started this business basically in 2010. I joined this business, and 2006 I moved to Dubai with my family.
Yeah, this is in the first thing.
First thing,
Yeah.
I was actually in Merchant Navy, and I was sailing before coming to Dubai. Around 18 years I sailed at
Your
sea.
experience is very high. Yeah.
Yes, mashallah.
Alhamdulillah, mashallah.
Alhamdulillah. And it was basically, as with most of the people in Merchant Navy, they are looking to settle on land due to family issues. So we were looking at the options to move to some place where we can work onshore rather than sailing. And Dubai was definitely the first option
Yeah.
in 2006. So we got a job offer in Tridox World, Dubai, and I moved with my family in 2006. 2006, of course, I stayed with about 4 years, and during that visit, my family members, as they were visiting Dubai, and they were already in different businesses in India, Dubai attracted them very well. And then in 2008, my younger brother wanted to start
The business
something,
also
a
here.
business in Dubai. So he started the business. He tried to run the business for 3-4 years, and of course I was not involved with him, as I was that time not interested in doing any business and was quite happy with my job. But as he was not in this field, and as we all are aware, 2008 was a tough time,
Yeah.
and the worldwide recession was affecting a lot of companies, especially shipping was going downhill. It was difficult for him, and 2010 he in fact decided that he is going to close the business, or he will sell it, or he wants to move back to India and want to continue with his other businesses. That is the time when I thought that I have the confidence and expertise to run the business.
And this is the challenge, yani. This is the challenge for you, the change point.
It was the changing point, and
Yeah.
especially for a person who is into a professional field,
Yeah.
having a contented lifestyle, it's very difficult to jump
Of
to
course,
a new field.
Of course, it's very hard. Yeah.
And when the full world, the economy is looking very dicey. Every day you're reading the newspapers and things are becoming more and more challenging. And that is the time you want to take the plunge and jump into a new field. But my wife was very supportive, and she said, if you want to do it, you go ahead.
Yeah.
No matter it's a small company, maybe only 20 people, okay, no problem, we will see inshallah in the coming years. Take your chance. I had some very good offers from abroad, some shipping companies, being a technical hand who had their offices in London. They were pushing me
To move there.
to move to London, to settle in London.
Because your experience is very high, Mister, and you have a professional CV, really.
And exactly.
Yeah, so there is one question now, Mr. Sayed. Let us and the viewers also know more about the Green Ocean International Ship Repair, about the services what you provide to UAE market or to the world in general.
Now, Green Ocean International Ship Repair LLC, we started with the aim. Basically, when I joined, my aim was not to just make money here.
Bravo. To continue and to be success in your
Yes.
life. Yeah.
The purpose was, since we were technically strong, to prepare our team so that they can, when we are dealing with the clients are happy. They know that they are dealing with professional people.
Of course.
As you all know, even when we go to get our car repaired, we can very well understand who knows the job, who doesn't know the job.
Of course.
So the same thing with shipping industry. It's a very complicated industry and it's an expensive industry. The owners have limited time to get their ships repaired. So we are always giving them good advices. Whenever they had meetings with us, they could understand that technically we know our job, and we always work from their angle, how to save cost, how to get the best possible repairs done. And then we joined Dubai Dry Docks, which had been basically very supportive to us because we have always given them good services. Our people have been very professional in dealing with them. Our costs has been quite low, and
Yani it's good for all of the level. Let us take
all the levels.
all of the levels. It's good for them.
So that had been our journey.
Yes, very good. So, Mr. Sayed, now, as a businessman, okay, you know all of the good businessmen, they make their work and companies special and different than others. And you know this Dubai, it's a big market. You know, it's a big market. There is a lot of companies here. They have the same services. They have the same kind of work offline. So how Mr. Sayed Tahir make his company, Green Ocean International Ship Repair LLC, special and different than other companies? There is a lot of reasons. Let the viewers know what's the reasons.
Now, one of the important things which differentiate us is that we have very dedicated staff with us. When you deal with our staff, you know they are very much attached to the company. Most of our staff is from the beginning. Our retention, you can say, is around 90%. So when our people are dealing with you, they are dealing with their heart, with their feelings. Technically, we are always behind them and we are always training them. Whenever they have any doubt, whenever they are confused or they feel that certain procedures are complicated, we are always behind them and we are always guiding them. When it comes to costs, since we have worked on both sides of the field, so we know what the ship owners are expecting, what is their budget, they can openly tell us, we give them the advice very clearly. And they know very well that they are dealing with the company which has ethics in place. Even from the ship owners to our clients to even our staff and workers, they know that we are not going to cheat anybody. Whatever we say, we commit, we do. That is one of our
Yes, very good.
Strong points.
Yes, very good. So also the experience of the work, it will come.
It shows.
It shows, yeah. So, Mr. Sayed, as a businessman, what's your vision in the future? You know, you started as a contract here, and then you started your own business step by step when you reach here to the top, and you continue on the top. We hope always to be in the top, Mr. Sayed, but let us to know what's your next step, where we will see you after 2 years from now.
Alhamdulillah, we had some very good projects, and 2015-16 we were running with nearly 700 people in UAE.
MashaAllah.
But of course, our business basically is based on international conditions. As you know, the shipping industry is not dependent on only UAE. We have international clients, and as the market changes, our businesses get affected.
Of course.
So we again, 2015-16, as you all know, oil prices dropped drastically. We had to again trim down. Then 2019, we again came up, and we were running with around 250 to 300 people. But now again COVID is stuck. So basically, yes, it has been a roller coaster journey. But what we feel is now we will go in a consistent way, rather than going up and down. So the coming few years, we will try to make ourselves more strong. And we are comfortable with the strength, which is about 100 plus strength we have, which we feel is a good strength. And once we gain more strength and the market is more stabilized, then definitely we can look forward to move more in this business.
Yes, يعني you know also Mr. Sayed, the COVID-19, its effect to all of the world, not
Yes.
only this kind of,
Yes.
because all of the world it's closed.
Yes.
So we hope for you to grow more and more and
Thank you so
to
much.
be in a high level, Mr. Sayed. Now let the viewers also and the businessman know your location, where you're located in Dubai.
We are actually in a location which not many people are aware. Dubai Maritime City is a location next to Port Rashid. This is a very nice location. It is in the heart of Dubai and just next to Dubai Dry Docks. This is basically a very nice sea open area where the ships also can come inside and
Yeah,
lot of-
it's easy to reach you.
it is very easy to reach us, and this is a place
Yes.
in Dubai Maritime City. We are next to gate number 2, and our workshop 147A.
Yes, very good. So, my dear viewers, Green Ocean International Ship Repair LLC, the contacts number down of our screen with the website and the emails. And now, Mr. Sayyid Tahir, in the last of our program, in the end, I just want to let you know about the UAE that it's a good country in the safety and security and in the happiness with the investment. So we have to thank the leadership and the rulers. We will start from Green Ocean International Ship Repair and from Mr. Sayyid Tahir as a person to thank them, especially Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid. We will start from you.
UAE is our first home. I would say it is not the second home. It
Of
is
course.
first home.
It's a first home, yeah.
And this country has given us so much. We are very thankful to the leadership of UAE, His Highness Sheikh Nahyan,
Sheikh Khalifa
Sheikh Khalifa
Al Nahyan,
Al Nahyan, Sheikh Khalifa Al Nahyan, and
Sheikh Mohammed
Sheikh
also
Mohammed
bin Zayed Al
bin Zayed
Nahyan,
Al Nahyan,
Sheikh Mohammed
Sheikh
also bin
Mohammed
Rashid
bin Rashid
Al Maktoum.
Al Maktoum,
Yes.
and the full UAE leaders who have made this place with an open place for all of us with open arms.
Yes.
So I would like to thank all of them, and always we wish the best for this country.
Yes, and also from our channel, from our Samal Ain TV, we will thank the leadership and the presidents here, and we will thank you also, Mr. Sayyid Tahir, to accept us here in your special company. We hope always for you to be in a high level and to continue with a success and to be blessed. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity. Thank you,
Thank you.
all of you.
مشاهدينا الكرام، إلى هنا نختم حلقتنا لهذا الأسبوع. تابعونا كل جمعة وسبت Friday and Saturday in سما العين TV and social media. دمتم بخير وفي أمان الله.